In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, my dear parents who are all present over here. Our esteemed chief guest, Mrs. S. Pyari Basira, Principal, Present School of Nursing, our administrative officer and our B.Ed principal and our junior coordinator, Mrs. Saranya, and my dear teachers and students, and indeed again parents. It's my privilege to welcome you all for the gracious graduation day 2024. It's the second graduation for our budding school. With great pleasure and pride, I present to you our school's annual report for the academic year 23-24. As we reflect on the past year, we are reminded of the remarkable journey we have embarked on together as a vibrant and dynamic educational community. Academic excellence. At the heart of our educational philosophy lies a dedication to academic excellence. Our rigorous curriculum, coupled with innovative teaching strategies and a supportive learning environment, has empowered to our students to excel in academics. We are proud to report significant achievements in standardized test score, academic competitions, demonstrating the caliber of our education provided at our school. In academics, we train the students to enrich their knowledge and culture. To motivate them, we give quiz in assembly, smart classes, activity-based learning, worksheets, lab activities. Besides that, value education and Deeniyat classes are regularly conducted for our students. On 5th September, we had Deeniyat Expo, in which 180 of our students have taken part and give awareness to of simplicity of Islam, promoting physical well-being through sports and games. In addition to the academics and spiritual pursuits, our school places a strong emphasis on physical fitness and well-being through sports and games. Our dedicated teachers provide students with opportunities to participate in a wide range of athletic activities. Through sports, our students learn the importance of teamwork, discipline, and perseverance, which foster not only physical health but also valuable life skills. P. Thasni of Class 5 participated in district level chess event. Our students participated in Carom tournament conducted by Saurashtra Sports Club at TVS School. Silambam Achievers Book of World Records conducted an event in which our student D. Mithran, who bagged first prize in the district. On 19-12-23, the greatest open Silambam sports competitions, sports championship competition was organized at Decathlon. Many of our students participated and got prizes. On the 3rd March of 2024, our students participated in Yoga Namaskar, 108 times official attempt organized by KG students by RK Yoga Center at Majura College, enriching extracurricular experience. Beyond academics and athletics, our school offers a vibrant array of extracurricular activities to cater to the diverse interests and talents of our students. Weekly classes are arranged for Silambam, music, Carom to showcase their talent in their inimitable style. Special classes are arranged to enrich our students' knowledge in calligraphy and glass painting and art and craft. Art and Creative 2023 event organized by Active Brain Educational Trust featured various competitions in the celebration of the World Students' Day and Children's Day. Our school Little Champs participated and tapped many trophies and medals. Our student B. Ansika of Standard 5 has taken part more than 12 events and received the Best Student Award from the Trust. I would like to show her. Where is she? On behalf of my management and my staff member and my students, we congratulate her and give away, I think, more claps to her. We are not only giving importance to education, DENIAC and sports, but also giving utmost importance for commemorating significant events and milestones that reflects our values and beliefs. From national holidays to cultural observance, religious festivals to international awareness days, our Importance Day celebration served as opportunities to educate, inspire and unite our students in a spirit of inclusivity and respect. On July 15, Kingmaker Mr. K. Kamaraj's birthday was celebrated as Educational Development Day. On July 22nd, our students showed their love towards National Fruit Mango and celebrated the National Mango Day. On August 15th, our students marked their patriotism towards our nation and celebrated Independence Day. On 5th September, Teachers' Day was celebrated in the remembrance of Sarvapalli Dr. Radhakrishnan's birthday. On 5th October 2019, Miss Ayman Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's birthday was celebrated as World Students' Day. On November 14th, our first and foremost Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehuru's birthday was celebrated as Children's Day. On December 6th, our students celebrated the Rainbow Colors Day to celebrate the kaleidoscope of unity. On February 28th, our students eagerly participated in the Science Expo in the eve of National Science Day to mark the birthday of Sir C.V. Raman. On March 8th, our students are celebrated Women's Day to honor and celebrate the achievements of women around the world, especially their mother. Recreation. As a part of the curriculum, we had our field trips for all the classes. On 4th November 23, 225 students are visited Star Vision Planetarium organized by Green Sprout International School, celebrating collaborative success. None of their achievements would have been possible without the collective efforts and unwavering support of our dedicated faculty, supportive parents and engaged community members, and our management and our AOs and all the heads of the institution inside the campus and all the teachers who are all working in various institutions. I must thank and my central office, electricians, sweepers, scavenger, everybody here. We have to think of them. Unless their support, we can't bring out the school like this. Together we have fostered a culture of excellence, inclusivity and mutual respect that forms the foundation of our school community. Your partnership and collaboration have been instrumental in our shared success. And for that, we are truly grateful to your dear parents, looking forward as we look ahead to the future. We remain steadfast in our commitment to providing a holistic education that prepares our students for success in an ever-changing world. In conclusion, I extend my sincere appreciation to each one of you and each member of our management and all the faculty and then our office people, their dedication and support throughout this year. Together, we have achieved remarkable milestones, and together we will continue to inspire, empower and uplift the hearts and minds of our students. Thank you very much for this opportunity.